guys, and welcome to another episode. Tonight we're gonna clear our models with Pledge, and it used to be called Future Floor Wax. It's now called Pledge Floor Care. So this is a clear acrylic, and it dries hard. Basically, it says in there that wait about 6 to 8 hours between coats, but this stuff smells great. Coats your model. So this particular model I cleared last night. I guess with the light there we can't really see how clear it is, but yeah, I cleared it last night, and this is getting ready for a panel line. And then this I cleared last night as well. And the side windows were left unmasked, but the rear and the front window I did mask, and the side window I masked, but the side windows I did not mask, and I just sprayed the Pledge right over that, and it looks great. So we're going to do that, and this model was just deckled, and I guess the last of the Solvaset is dry now, so we're going to clear that as well. And that model we finished not too long ago. The windows are in, and I could use a coat of clear. So off camera I dusted everything off. I wanted to make sure everything was clean and ready to go for filming. So yeah, just make sure you do that too before you spray, and make sure your booth is clean and free of particles, dust, so you can mist it down or vacuum it. But yeah, you don't want anything blowing around in there when you're clearing your models. Alright, let's get started.
I will never forget it. I will never forget it because I thought after all these years that the Torontonians would be willing to go you ever been from somewhere else and you remember your childhood in that market, even if it's just living in it, when you first expanded on your who really actually respect you, they actually care about you, they want to know how things are going, there is intelligence to it too, that I don't think we give each other credit for. If you were that isolated with things that you don't know, the one thing I can say is watching these people and making them fly on the air.
Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. Don't you love it? Straight out of the bottle and onto your model. So yeah, if you like what you watched, check out other videos on my channel too. I got a lot of modeling tips and techniques and builds on various models. So thanks for watching guys, and have a good day.